Alrighty, so I just turned the wheel all the way to the passenger side to give me access, easier access here. So you can see the OEM link is right there. And we're just gonna go ahead and take this nut off. So here we go. We are gonna use a socket wrench, 22 socket wrench, and just start to loosen it a little bit. Once it's a little bit loosened, use a 6mm Allen and a wrench. Yeah, if you have a ratchet wrench, that'll probably be best, but I don't. Okay, so we removed the bottom nut right here. Now we have to go ahead and remove the top nut, which is right over here. So it's a little bit harder to get to, but you can see it right there. So we're gonna remove that top part now. Again, it's a little hard to take off. So we're gonna use the socket wrench to just loosen it up a little bit. As you can see, took the OEM link off finally. It's a little bit hard, but as you can see, bottom first. I did the bottom first, and then the top one. And then you just jiggle it a little bit, and it basically just comes off. So here we go. I gotta go ahead and do the other side. Hey guys, so it got a little dark outside. The bugs are crazy. Even though I sprayed some off, I was still getting eaten all over the place. But I wanted to come inside and show you guys the difference between the OEM link and the Sasquatch link. So if we put them together, you can see how much thicker the Sasquatch link is. It just looks so heavy duty compared to the OEM link. So I'm excited to put that on tomorrow. And I also wanted to mention that instead of using the Allen key, I ended up using the 6mm socket Allen with the wrench, and this was so much easier. It made things a lot quicker. On that passenger side, that took forever for me to take it off. So hopefully that helps you guys. And yeah, we're gonna continue the install tomorrow. We are back out here, ready to finish this install. So we are setting this up for the driver's side, and this one is gonna be for the passenger side. We're also gonna be using these 2-inch bolts that came, and a 2-inch 3/4 socket as well. So we're gonna go ahead and install that now. We are back on the driver's side. Put this right there. Drop the 2-inch bolt and just tighten it. For now, we are gonna put the bolts and the spacers onto the actual link. So we're gonna take that apart, put it in, and this part's gonna go on the other side, and just do it like that. We're gonna start with the top, so here we go. So the sway bar keeps jiggling a little bit, so I'm gonna go ahead and just connect this bottom part as well. Hopefully this just helps whenever I'm finishing tightening that bolt. and we're gonna continue tightening that bolt. Just finished tightening the bolt, and as you can see, the driver's side is done. So now we're gonna go ahead and move to the passenger side. Links have been installed. Now we're gonna go ahead and do the holding brackets. This one is gonna be driver's side and passenger side. You're gonna want these pins facing forward to the front of the car. And then you just have these two little bolts. So here we go. We're gonna first remove the ABS sensor just by pulling it. Just pull it softly, and it's a nice little rubber mount right there. I'm gonna move that a little bit slightly. A little bit of a tight fit right there, down below. Now we're gonna grab the other one. So we got a 3/8 socket for the top. There we go. And we got a 7/8 wrench for the bottom. Hold that. Super quick. And then just place the ABS sensor back on there. Gently pushing it back onto this little groove that was there. And we're done. Thank you guys for watching. If you made it all the way to the end, I hope this was helpful. If you do have them yourself, or if you're planning on installing them, the install is not hard. I did have some issues at the beginning, just removing those OEM links, but I think that was just user error. Once I got the hang of it, it was super easy, and then the actual install, putting the Sasquatch links, was super quick. I did it this morning, and it probably took maybe 30 minutes, super quick. So again, thank you AcFab for giving us the ability to have these manual Sasquatch links. It's not as fancy as some of you guys that have the button and it automatically does it for you, but now it gives me that option. And if you didn't get that either with your Bronco, you can go ahead and get that manually. Go check out AcFab down below. I'll put a link to their website and Instagram. Oscar, thank you for these. I'm so excited to try them out. And yeah, stay tuned for a review once I do use them out on the trails. And bonus, I did install the Bronco busters as well, so Pegasus is ready. Stay tuned.